Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having an awesome day as always. I'm a bit overdue for a video, so I figured I'd pull out something special. We have a CX-5 here. Some people also know it as a Marx Scorpion, but this is the key. 6 pins and 5 sliders. Works beautifully. Yeah, like I said, some people know it as a Marx Scorpion. However, those are two different companies. CX-5 and Marx are two different companies. CX-5, this lock here, is out of Canada, Quebec, I believe. And Marx is an American lock, I believe, maybe out of New York. I'll leave the websites down in the description there below for those who want to check it out. I'm also going to clamp up my flashlight here in the vise so I can locate on these sliders a bit better. And I should also add that this lock has standard drivers in it, where they usually come with kind of like something like the old style Assa spools, and I'll show you those once we get it open. I'm going to use top of the keyway, and I'm going to use my go-to pick and just try and get into it. This is the third time trying to get this open on camera, and it's quite hard to give you guys a good picture of me picking while I'm trying to manipulate those sliders there, but I think I'm going to take it this time no matter what it looks like and no matter how long it is, because I just want to get it done. It's fairly hard lock to pick, so it's going to be even harder to do on camera. Hard for me to pick anyway. I reset. So we're just looking for a false set for now. I think we got our false set, and now the hard part begins. I'm not really liking the lighting here, but I think we're gonna have to take it. See if I can get a little bit of adjustment here. Alright, we're gonna have to take that, guys. I'm sorry about the lighting. And that's not gonna work. I don't really like that too much either. Let's try the other side. There, that's gonna have to do it, I guess, guys. Sorry if I'm breathing into the mic, but Start by putting all those sliders down. And these sliders are not spring loaded. Have to reset those sliders again. Like a bit of sweat. Try again. Do a little adjustment here for a second. Okay, I'm going to reset one more time. And if I don't get it this time, you'll never see this video. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna take it, but I'm really not happy with the lighting, and yeah. I don't even know whether to keep this video or not, guys, but I think I will, just because I've been having a hard time to get it. But sincerely apologize for the crappy lighting. I can't stand watching videos with crappy lighting, so I know you guys probably don't like it too much either. But it's a hard lock, so I'm going to take it. Hopefully from here on in we don't have any problems. Okay, so 8 minutes. We've got a pinning tray. Let's just dig into this. We have, I don't know if I mentioned, it's a kick cylinder in a kick holder, so I might as well just take that out. Put that aside. And what else do I need? Kind of shaking a bit. Now I know how Tumblr feels. Alright. I think we'll be good without the key for now. Oh, actually I'm going to lock it up because all those sliders will fall out the bottom, and I don't want to do that. Alrighty, so first things first, sidebar. Don't want to lose those springs. So there's our intact sidebar. Put that up here. Oh wow. Already worried about losing these springs, but they're both there. I guess we'll do the key pins first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my tweezers are right here. Okay, there we go, and sliders. So this is, oh, that was 4. Three. That's 1. And 2 and 5. Alrighty. And I guess we'll take the drivers out. We'll put the original ones back in. Like I said, the drivers in here are all standards, just for purpose of making this video a little bit easier to do. And I'll show you what the original drivers look like. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take out one of the drivers. You guys, well, I mean, I'll take them all out so no one can accuse me of any trickery. Even though all the difficulty would be in the sliders. There we go. We'll put that spring back in right now, though. So there's that. And I'll take out one of those drivers to show you what the original drivers look like. Like I said, they're basically like the Assa old style. I'll put one of these down here. And okay, so we got our sidebar, sliders, and I got to show you the counter milling. Again, lovely lighting. Flashlight. Where's that proper angle? Let me see what we can do here. Okay, there I think you can see that counter milling, and it grabs these things pretty good. Because I think I can probably demonstrate here. Yeah, it really hooks that. I'm really pulling up, and it's, yeah. So pretty cool core. Got our 6 normal pins with counter milling and our 5 slider holes there with no springs, which is kind of cool. And I'll give you a close-up of all these. There's our sidebar up top, not altered in any way. 2 sidebar springs right there. And you can see these sliders do have false gates, so that makes it quite a bit tougher to pick. And for those of you that don't know how this works, these sliders have to be aligned in a way that this sidebar can retract in these little grooves here. So when you're trying to manipulate these things, you can get caught in these false gates, which makes things a lot trickier to getting it picked, because you're looking for this true gate but you're getting stuck in all these false gates, and yeah, it's really hard to distinguish between them. But that's what was in this CX-5. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. That really kind of pisses me off, to be honest, but especially when it's on a really bright day. And I got both my my living room windows here wide open, but yeah, sorry about that, guys. And as always, like I always say, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick locks that don't belong to you. or that you don't have permission to pick. And have a great day, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.